Let's be honest, generative AI, it's everywhere, right? But if you're running a small or medium-sized business, it can feel like this big, expensive, maybe even complicated thing. But the good news? It really doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can get started with AI in a way that's not only secure, but also friendly to your budget.
So if you're already using Microsoft 365, you're basically standing at a crossroads. Microsoft has laid out two very different paths for bringing AI into your business. And by the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly which one makes the most sense for you.
All right, let's meet the two main players in this story. You can think of them as two different kinds of AI assistants. Each one is designed for a totally different level of need and, maybe more importantly, a different level of integration into your day-to-day work.
First up, we've got Copilot Chat. The easiest way to think about this is as your free built-in AI assistant. It's basically a secure, work-safe version of ChatGPT that's probably already included in your Microsoft 365 plan. Now, the key thing to get here is that it's a standalone tool. It's not going to go rummaging through your company files on its own.
But it's a really powerful generalist. You can ask it to draft up some marketing copy, summarize a super long article you paste in, or just help you brainstorm ideas for a new project. Honestly, it's a fantastic, zero-cost way to get your entire team comfortable with using AI as a creative partner, and it's all inside a secure bubble. Okay, so that's path number one. Path number two is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now, this is the paid premium version, and the difference is huge. It doesn't just sit on the sidelines. No, this version is woven right into the fabric of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the apps you're already using every single day.
And that deep integration, well, it comes with a price tag, $30 per user per month. But, and this is a really crucial point for any small or medium-sized business, you have total flexibility. You can assign these licenses only to the people who are really going to get the most out of them. You don't have to buy it for your entire organization. This really gets to the heart of it. The free version, it's awesome for general questions using data from the web. But the paid version, it securely taps into your company's own internal data. That means it understands the context of your work, your projects, your clients, your team, and because of that, it can give you so much more relevant help. That right there, that's the real game changer. So let's talk about that power. What exactly does that $30 a month unlock? Let's take a look at how this actually works in practice, app by app. Okay, so you're in Word. A licensed user can just ask Copilot to draft an entire project proposal based on a couple of bullet points and, say, a linked file. I mean, this isn't just about saving time. It's about creating better quality, client-ready documents in a tiny fraction of the time. Now, for anyone who lives in spreadsheets, this is an absolute lifesaver. Instead of trying to remember some ridiculously complex formula, you can just ask Excel in plain English, hey, show me the sales trends for Q3 by region, and put it in a bar chart. Boom. This just transforms data analysis from a specialist skill into something anyone on your team can do. And in PowerPoint, get this, you can create an entire 15-slide presentation just by pointing it to a Word document. For a small business that doesn't have a dedicated design team, it's just an incredible time saver and a total professional image booster.
Over in Outlook, Copilot basically becomes your personal executive assistant. You know that endless email chain? It can summarize the whole thing so you get the main points in seconds. This frees up so many hours from just managing your inbox, letting your team focus on actual work instead of admin tasks.
And finally, in Teams, it becomes your meeting partner. If you jump into a meeting late, you can literally ask Copilot, what did I miss? And it'll give you a summary. This means more productive meetings, clearer action items, and way less time wasted just trying to catch up.
This quote from Microsoft really says it all. The paid version isn't just another chatbot. It's an assistant that actually understands your business. It has the full organizational context, which is just a fancy way of saying it knows what you're working on and can help you get it done faster and better. Of course, anytime you start talking about an AI having access to company data, the very next questions are always going to be about security and privacy. So let's dive into how Microsoft handles this. And here is the most crucial point. Both the free and the paid versions are built on the exact same enterprise-grade security foundation that protects all the rest of your Microsoft 365 data. Your information is not used to train the public AI models. It's your data, and it stays protected right inside your environment.
Now, for the admins watching, you'll be happy to know you have a ton of control here. As you can see, you can turn either version on or off for specific users. The paid version adds some nice tools for looking at usage and making sure everything's compliant. But look at that bottom row. That's the most important thing. Copilot always respects your existing security settings, so you don't have to worry about it leaking sensitive info.
Okay, so you're seeing the potential. But how do you actually get started with this stuff without causing, total chaos? Well, Microsoft recommends a really clear, phased approach.
The strategy is super simple and really smart. First, just start by letting everyone experiment with the free Copilot Chat. This gets everyone's feet wet and builds a basic understanding of AI. Then, identify the people who create the most content or manage the most complex projects. Give that small group paid licenses for a pilot program. Let them test it out, give you feedback, and then use that real-world experience to decide how and if you want to expand.
And remember, you do not have to go all in. This is not an all-or-nothing decision. You can license just 5 people, or 10, or 50. That flexibility is what makes it possible for smaller businesses to adopt this powerful AI in a way that's both effective and conscious of the budget.
So all of this brings us right back to the choice at the beginning. It's not just about features, it's about your business strategy and really your team's readiness to take this on.
Ultimately, your decision really boils down to this. The free Copilot Chat is a safe, no-cost way to introduce your whole team to generative AI. The paid M365 Copilot, on the other hand, is a serious investment in deep integration, and it's designed to unlock maximum productivity for your most key roles.
So there you have it. 2 paths, 1 big decision. Are you going to start with the free version and just dip your toes in the AI waters? Or are you ready to dive in with the paid version and give your team a powerful new tool to create with? The choice is yours.